those permanent lights?
Yeah, Trimlight. You can change them from your phone.
I gotta admit, they look really good.
Professional install, too.
The way the light hits those eaves, it's giving Gothic revival with a seasonal twist.
Yeah. I should probably run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta warn me before you stop like that. Another one.
Now these people have style.
Good evening. Y'all seen the orange, purple, and green firework effect yet? Oh, that's my favorite.
Can you make the lights on the house dance? You know what I mean? Like, da-da-da-da.
You got it. Check this out.
Oh man, I love this. I'd kill for these lights. Where was I?
Yes! Woo! Got him! Trimlight strikes again.
Style so good, it's scary. Celebrate any holiday with Trimlight, even the scary ones. Visit our website to see all our lighting solutions at trimlight.com.